Ladies and gentlemen, we are here today with my co-announcer Nigel Ryan Jones.
And here is Gabe Cruz on the mic over there. We are going to get underway with Battle Boards.
Can I get a Battle Boards?
Battle Boards.
I handed it to you because I knew you were going to do that. So we are here today for the very first Braille Battle Boards competition. This is going to be our new series of the game Battle Boards. So basically, we have that platform right there. It is a 8x8 square, and we all are going to get on our boards, get on top of that platform, and go to war. This is a good chance for us to get all of our frustrations, like our anger, our salt. It's like Braille sumo wrestling, basically, on skateboards. Oh gosh, Aaron would play so dirty. It would be dangerous.
What? I can't uppercut?
Yeah, he'd like fully get his board, pick it up, and hit you in the nuts and be like, oh, it was an accident.
Here are the main rules. Your feet cannot touch the ground. You must be at a 2-point contact at all times.
Okay,
One foot comes off, you are eliminated.
Yeah,
if you fall off the pad, you are eliminated. Other than that, there are no rules. No, actually, let me reverse.
No
punching in the face, no eye
kicking.
gouges. When you grapple, you can grapple, hold on tight, and don't let go.
No
but when you let
grappling
go,
on backs,
make
though.
sure you're watching where your hands flail, because if you hit somebody in the face, automatic stop, you get off the box, 5-second penalty.
And some of us are going to be a little taller than others, so if you're flailing around, you know, like Carlos, if you're flailing around, you might hit Nigel in the nuts, because that's about the height, right?
That's messed up.
Contestants, are you ready to get battle boards going?
We gotta pick for spots.
Yes. The very first round is going to be all 5 of us in there free-for-all at the same time. That doesn't mean anything. That's just a warm-up to get a feel for it. After the very first round, we're all going to come over here, pick a cup, and under that cup is a number in which we will go write our name on the corresponding number, and then we're going to have one-on-one tournaments to see who goes to the finals and to the loser rounds. Best 2 out of 3.
Contestants, are you ready to proceed with battle boards?
Wait, oh gosh.
3, 2, 1, go!
Carlos just won that!
Oh, I hit my head.
Sorry, dude, are you done?
I think Nano punched him.
I think it was my elbow.
Tree Boy elbowed me.
That was literally the most fun thing we've ever done.
Chance, as soon as I went in, it was both of you guys just, you just, nope!
Okay, all right. So the winner of that round is Carlos.
So you get to pick first.
I think we should do like one more of that. Yes, that was really fun.
Yeah, okay.
Aussie, you got to get in there.
first.
That's what we'll do. The winner of each round goes to choose. So Carlos, you won that round, so you get to choose first, my friend.
Rest the little head.
3.
You got a 3. Okay.
Round 2. Contestants, are you ready? 3, 2, 1, go!
Yeah! Woo! 4. Oh yeah, baby! Oh yeah! I'm on you, Carlos! Yes! Yes!
Game, Carlos.
I'm hyped.
All right, here we go.
3, 2, 1, go! Oh!
This is unbelievably hard.
You guys fully just destroyed the camera, dude. I don't know who got launched into it. I think it was Aussie Dan. Fully just got thrown into the camera right now. If I didn't film that, I'm sorry, dude. Like,
So hard with brand new wheels. I'm literally, I see everybody like kind of sticking, and mine's just like, nah, man, we're out.
oh man. All right, Fetty. You are number 2. In 3, 2, 1, go! Look at Aussie. Oh, Nigel is the winner.
It's a lot harder 1v1 because there's not someone else you can like hook on
Yeah,
to.
exactly. All right, choose, my friend. 5. Okay. You got a Rochambeau. Is Uzi gonna end up with Fetty or Nigel? All right, you get to choose. Oh, man.
No!
Oh,
I
man.
get Tree Boy? Oh, man.
Oh, taking off the jacket.
Well, it's just an extra thing for you to grab onto, right?
Sorry if this is annoying for you guys, but I have to do it. Ladies and gentlemen, this is round 1 of battle boards. First up, we have Fetty Potter and Uzi Walker. No.
Wow.
Australian. Why can't I say that today? I don't know. Aussie Dan, Fetty Potter, round 1, battle boards. Are you ready?
Yes.
All right, get up.
Let's get in the ring. Let's get this action going. All bets are in? All bets are in.
That's it.
Contestant, are you ready?
Penny's up.
Contestant, are you ready? 3, 2, 1, battle board. No!
Aussie, damn!
Crazy thing is,
Did I
if
win?
he would have whipped you and stayed in the air and your feet hit
He
first,
would've
you
won.
would have lost. Contestant, are you ready? Contestant, are you ready?
think
3,
so.
2, 1, battle board. Oh! Quick victory! Quick victory! He came out of the corner ready for winning. He was destined for this. Made for this.
I got hit by something here, and then my chin hit the back of his head.
This is the 3rd and final round. 3, 2, 1, battle board.
That was a new one.
Vicious downward dog. He is the victor. Fetty Potter.
I was not expecting that at all.
That was smart.
That was a good move.
All right, this is round 1. Gabe Cruz versus Carlos Lasha battle board. Contestant, are you ready? Ready. Are you ready?
I've never been more ready for anything
3,
in my life.
2, 1, battle board. He just lost that round.
Oh,
Busted my lip.
my shirt!
Sorry.
Carlos!
Sorry,
God,
that's how the
this
game
guy is
goes.
so
If you
strong.
get punched in the face, I mean, it sucks, it hurts, but you know what? Just keep going. Round 2, Carlos Lasher up 1, Gabe Cruz 0. Are
One.
you ready?
Gabe
Are
Cruz
you
0-1.
ready?
Yeah.
3, 2, 1, battle board.
Oh, he slipped. Thought I had it too.
Gabe uses his special move, the banana peel.
God, I thought I had it.
I'm so
You're good. You're right. You're good. I thought I had it and then like I just lost the edge. Like,
I thought I was
soft
gonna
wood.
lose.
Yeah, it
And
didn't
then
even hurt at
all
all.
of a sudden he was on the floor.
For sure.
Gabe 1, Carlos 1. Best out of 3. Contestant, are you ready? Are you
Oh my
ready?
God.
3, 2, 1, battle board.
I have new wheels too.
It's hard, right?
My wheels are so slippery. Oh man. Huh? That's it.
Oh, yeah.
Oh man, that was amazing. That was so
I'm still
fun.
in. No. Normally you'd be excited that you're still in a game, but I'm like, no, I'm still in. Dude, luckily when I fell earlier, it was soft.
Oh, me and Tree Boy?
You like choke slam.
Did you get slow-mo of it?
No, I didn't know that's on his. Did you save it? Watch, choke slam. Gabe was like last round.
And we have the final round. Nigel Ryan Jones versus Uzi Becky Walker. Are you ready?
Yep.
Are you ready?
Left-handed.
In 3, 2, 1, go! Oh! That was too easy. wait.
Yeah.
Oh my God!
Uzi has a 1-0 advantage over Nigel. Can he bring it back? Are you ready?
Yeah.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
In 3, 2, 1, go!
I think Nigel won that one.
I think they did. I was trying to save him from falling hard.
Okay.
Uzi, you don't save anyone.
I know, but he was going to hit the ground hard.
So our ref from the other side saw that Uzi actually planted his feet first before Nigel hit the ground.
I think it was on camera too.
He hooked me up with his shoes, so I can't let him fall.
There is no saving.
Tied 1-1. Whoever wins this next round goes on to the championship. Are you ready?
Yep.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
On go in 3, 2, 1. Aye! I said on go. 3, 2, 1, go. Oh, come on, fight it, fellas, fight it! Fight it! Oh, man!
That was a good one. That was a good one.
That was a really good one. Oh, man. Okay, that is it for the elimination round. So the championship will be Fetty versus Carlos versus Uzi.
For tonight's main event round, we have a three-way. The winner of this three-way gets first, the second place runner-up gets second, and the last person gets third. Here we have battle boards.
The first championship contendants are Fetty versus Carlos versus Uzi Walker Daniel. And the last 3 losing players, Nigel Ryan Jones, Gabe Cruz, and Feisty Cadaver. How did we let this happen?
I don't know.
I got blood. Carlos got body slammed, all right.
Carlos got bodied.
All right, this is the second place bracket. So this is for 4th, 5th, and 6th. This is 1 round only. In 3, 2, 1, go! Oh! 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 Oh my God!
Dang.
Austin got annihilated.
Dang, I don't know, dude. My freaking wheels are so.
He has super push.
That was
No,
crazy.
Hey, Nigel and I collectively pushed Daniel at the same time. And
He got some like chi balls and just like pushed you guys. Yeah.
hey, if you see our push, all you're gonna hear is that critical hit sound from Dragon Ball Z.
Welcome to the main event. In this corner, we have Fetty Potter. And second contestant in this corner, we have Uzi Walker. And the third and final contestant, last but not least, we have Carlos Cthulhu. This is the final round to battle boards. There is no coming back. This is the championship round. Contestants, be nice, be clean, be dirty, be mean. Are you guys ready? Let's get this show on the road. Are you ready? Are you ready? Are you ready? 3, 2, 1, battle board! We have a winner! Yeah! Winner by takedown elimination, Fetty Potter! We would give you the golden fork, but you already have it.
And second place, we have Cthulhu! And in third place, we have Uzi Walker.
I'm trying to get my balance right, and he got me right when
got
I was
you
most
right as you
vulnerable.
were
I was like
kicked
about
in.
to get back on it.
I was about to try to just lift you and kick your board away.
You did very well, Carlos. For your size, The power of Cthulhu compels you.
You
That's
came
right.
back from that choke slam and got second place.
I hope you guys enjoyed that video. If you want to see more Battleboard episodes, definitely let us know and we will make it happen. But until then, please subscribe, like, leave a comment below, and check us all out on Instagram. You guys are seriously the best, and we hope you like these videos. We will see you in the next one tomorrow.
Happy holidays.